Student of Shahril sir. Today I have make the file of maths project file holiday homework. I will show you my maths project file. My first page is this. I am decorate my first page by ourselves. My teacher name is Pradeep Saxena. My name is Simrat. I am studying class 6. My roll number is 18. My first question, my second page is in index. My third page is Hindi Abric system of numbers writing. My second is International System of Number Writing. My third is Roman number to Hindi Abric. My fourth question is how many lakhs in a 1 crore, how many thousands in 1 lakh, how many lakhs in 1 million, how many millions in 1 crore.